Since I'm taking a monorail trip around the monorail resorts, I figured I might as well do a second vlog today and film some of the construction updates, because there seems to be a lot of construction going on around here. We're going to start here at the Contemporary, and the Outer Rim is closed. The Outer Rim is the bar right outside of Contempo Cafe and Chef Mickey's, and as you can see, they're doing a significant amount of work up inside the roof, so it is closed for now. I haven't seen these yet. It is a Steamboat Willie set of ears. Very cool for the Disney 100th, and they are $39.99, which I think is, I can't remember if that's the normal price for ears now or not. They keep changing the prices of everything on me. I don't remember if I said where I was in the last clip, but I am in Buenaventura Gift, or BVG, Bayview Gifts, here in the Contemporary. And this is the new set of ears from the Rabbits collection. Kind of cute. I feel like that would break off though, especially if you put it in a bag. Doesn't say how much they are. I'm assuming $39.99. So here at the Contemporary, they have a Loungefly set of contemporary ears with a monorail on them. And these, this is for the 50th. It says all aboard the Highway in the Sky. These are $45. Holy cow. This is really cool, much like those ride ornaments I showed the other day. This is a Contemporary resort one, and it shows how the monorail goes through the middle of the resort. Very cool. And this one is $29.99. Oh, this is a new pair of ears. Oh, man, these are Disney by Bauble Bar. These are Lion King, and these are like crystallized. So these are $58. I do like that the ears are really tiny on these. These are nice and light. I feel like these would be very comfortable to wear. They're very, very expensive though. Oh, I don't think I've seen this pair either. Okay, these are just normal Disney ears. They are Groot. It says, I am Groot at the back. That's so cute. And it looks like the normal price for ears is now $34.99. They have a Loungefly for the Disney critters. Oh, this is so cute. And this one, here we go again with no price tags. So it's somewhere between $75 and $90. It's too funny. Every time I'm in the Contemporary, they play Gitchy Gitchy Goo. So they have the Disney I Love You Forever set here. They have all the princesses I showed, but they have some extra fashion sets. And it looks like the fashion sets are $16.99. They have a Pocahontas one. They have an Aurora one. I love the Elsa one. That Janie literally has that robe. That's hysterical. They have a whole Tiana accessory set. Then they have a Moana like winterish, what's this called? Clothing set. Very cool. They have these pins at Disney Pin Traders, but they don't have them anywhere on display where you can see them. But they have a whole set of the game, the Disney Mirrorverse. That Ursula one is amazing. And these are all the characters in their Mirrorverse outfits. So that's very, very cool. Oh, that Little Mermaid one's cool. Oh, they actually have extra. Disney Pin Traders only had the Aladdin arcade. This one, oops, if I show it, only had the Aladdin arcade. This one also has 101 Dalmatians and Lion King. They didn't have this on display at Disney Pin Traders either, but they have the Disney Rabbits set here as well. It's too funny that they still have these Lunar New Year ones. I feel like they're never going to get rid of those. Next up on the construction update, I'm going to do an EPCOT construction. So I'm going to do the EPCOT loop on the monorail so we can do an aerial view of the construction. So here at the boardwalk, when you enter from outside the front, go to the right. Right outside of the lounge, they have 2 press penny machines, and they have 2 of the Disney 100 pennies. So I thought I was done with the construction updates, but here in the lobby of the beach club, the bathrooms are closed for refurbishment. So I'll either have to go all the way across by the pool or down to the boardwalk. And I need to refill my soda, so I'll be heading to that one. And then here on the boardwalk itself, just to the right of the boat dock, it's all 100 pennies, and they haven't had to move one. So a small update is the Boardwalk Bakery has changed its name to the Boardwalk Deli, but it basically has the same stuff. Oh, it looks like they're doing construction on rooms here, because all these rooms have tarps over the windows. This is so sad. ESPN Club was our favorite place to eat here because it was such good prices. And this building is gutted. Like, can you see inside? It's like down to the rebar. And it looks like something called the Cake Bake Shop is coming in its place. That makes me very sad. Because we loved ESPN Club. Their prices were so good. Their food was good. I even got one of the ESPN Club pins for answering a question right. Well, technically Lee, I think, answered the question right, but I got the pin. Ooh, that chocolate cake looks good. It actually looks like it's gonna be really pretty. It will fit with the boardwalk theme, but I'm just gonna miss the ESPN Club. Their pulled pork, so good.
If you like these videos, please click that subscribe button, tap the like, and ring that notification bell so you always know when a new video is headed your way. Thank you so much for watching, and now we're on to the next adventure. Bye guys!
Today's video brought to you by Orlando for Families. For amazing prices and even better customer service on all of your stroller rental needs for your Orlando vacation, visit them at the website listed below, www.orlandoforfamilies.com. Use the promo code OHANA to save 15% off of their already competitive prices.